Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Binance login error on Android. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Binance application and there are no pending updates. For that, open the App Store and search for Binance. Tap on it and if it's not updated, tap on the update button to get the latest version. In my case, it's already done. Once you are done, close the App Store and open the app info of the Binance application. Here tap on the storage and cache option. Tap on clear cache. Sometimes it may happen due to a lot of data gathers in cache. So clearing it may help. After that, tap on the clear storage option. Then tap on delete. Once you have cleared them both, go ahead and try logging into the application. But if the issue persists, then there's another simple way to solve this, and that is to change your network connection. For example, if you are using Wi-Fi, you can switch to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. After that, open the Binance app and enter the required information to log in successfully. You can also go for the option Continue with Google. If you have your Google account connected, it makes the process simpler. And this is how you can fix Binance login error on Android.